Welcome to CharmHealth, your medical records management and practice management application on the cloud. In this video, we will go over patient registration settings in CharmHealth. From the home screen, go to Settings, then Patient Registration. Configure Patient Record ID. Patient record IDs are unique auto-generated identifiers attached to a patient record when a new patient is added to the EHR. Enter the format of patient record ID that you would prefer for your practice. Specify the starting number from which the IDs have to be generated. Click Save. Patient record ID for new patients will now be generated based on the new format. Select the default language and default gender values that will be pre-selected for new patients. These values can be changed while adding new patients. Setting Custom Record ID to Yes will enable you to edit and change the auto-generated patient record IDs for patients. If PHR invitation required is set to Yes, patients will be set to receive a patient portal invitation email by default when they are added to the EHR. Setting this value to Yes will make the email address field mandatory while adding new patients. If you have multiple facilities, configure default facility for patients. Selecting Map to Current Facilities will add new patients only to your current facility. Selecting Map to All Facilities will add new patients to all facilities in your practice. Click Save. Thank you for watching this video. For any help, write an email to support@charmhealth.com. Follow us on our social media for the latest updates.